Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you hater, my motivator. Y'all make me greater.
Chevy Box Ride, the Southern Chevy TV presents Miss Ruby, a 89 Chevy Caprice LS, coming out the muddy Mississippi.
Oh, you done did it now. The streets done woke up a sleeping giant, and it's about to go down, baby.
I'm talking about a car so clean, Chevy Box Rider got it shining like a brand new diamond, baby. With a 6-liter engine, when you crank her up, you can hear it from a block away.
I told y'all wasn't ready.
And don't get it twisted, we keeping it old school, baby, with 22-inch Dayton wild wheels.
With the 4 tires, man.
Cause if your paint ain't shine, and your rims don't bling, you ain't clean.
And that's for real, man.
Cause we taking this thing to a whole nother level, so get ready. This ad was brought to you by Southern Chevy TV, home of Miss Ruby.
So Miss Ruby about to get dropped off the sprayway. Gonna go ahead and hook it on up. Gonna go ahead and clean Ruby up. Then I'll take her around back, give you a walk around, show you what all I'm gonna do to her. Might as well go on to clean the Landau up too. I ain't cleaned it up in a while. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up and pull it around back and give you a walk around. Yeah, I'm finna pull it on around here. I can show you everything what I'm gonna do to it. Okay, this is Miss Ruby here. It's owned by Chevy Box Rider on YouTube. His YouTube channel name is Southern Chevy TV. He brought it up here to me. Want me to go ahead and take care of it. Ain't really nothing major as far as the body work. He did the LS swap himself also. Let me show it to you. It's a 6.0 in it. He still got a button a few things up in it, he said. I think he gonna change the intake. But it sound good. Got that cam in it. But y'all go check his page out if y'all wanna see what all he got going on. He got quite a few builds going on right now. I think he working on 3 Hondas. But he got all kind of projects though. Y'all go check him out. He also giving away some candy paint giveaway. I'm not sure what video it is, but you gotta leave a comment in that video, but you can go to his page and find out more. But I think it's probably about maybe 7 videos down in this playlist from the past. But you just subscribe to him and then go ahead and leave that comment. Then you'll be eligible for that candy paint giveaway. I think he gonna do it at 7,000 subscribers. So y'all need to go ahead and do that. Let me go in the house and get that speed shape, and I can show you what color he going with on this one here. They go to speed shapes here. This is the one he leaning to right here. It's more like a Brandywine, a darker Brandywine. But I think it'll look good with that top there. It's a lighter one. These colors here, it's gonna be by Uricam. All his material gonna be by Uricam. What y'all think? Get down in the comments and tell me which one would y'all prefer. But he leaning towards this one here. I got like 4 box Chevy sitting out here. I got the Landau. I got my 4-door back here. You know, I ain't worked on this in years, but I'm gonna get back on it one day. I also got Pete LS over here. Finna get ready to pull it out. I pretty much got it done. I just been having it sitting up in here. I got the LS in here too. I just ain't put the videos out. Let me show it to you right quick. I still got a few things I gotta do too. I got an inline fuel pump. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put it in the tank. So be looking out for a lot of videos on this here. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do to it. Change up. Y'all stay tuned. I'm finna go ahead and start finding all my spots I need to repair. Start stripping everything down. Then I'll be good to go. But I got all kind of videos planned up for it, because on this here, this is an 89 LS. This is an 86 Landau. And I still got to do the final video on this 87 here. But y'all just stay tuned.
Start right from the bottom to
from the